welcome to Mellie Telly. Oh, are we actually doing this stuff? Hey everyone, welcome to Mellie Telly. Today I am giving away one of these Douglas Believe in Angels Advent Christmas calendars. All you have to do is subscribe and then leave a comment below so I know you subscribed, and follow me on Instagram. Then by the end of the month, I'm going to give one of these beautiful things away. This is what happened. I was supposed to get chocolate advent calendars for my husband and I for Christmas, and instead I found this gorgeous calendar. It has 24 days of giveaways of beauty products and beauty supplies, and I'm so excited. He was a little bit pissed that I got this instead of the chocolate, but this is so much better. Every day I'm going to open one and share it with you so you can see what's inside. Day one, let's get started. Okay, where's number one? I'm really bad at these, I can never find number one. Found it. Okay, very easy to open, which is great. Ooh, let's see. This is a Daytox peel off mask. I love doing masks. I do one at least like a couple times a week. They're so good for your skin. This is awesome. I love that it's in a tube that you can open it and reuse it, unlike those packages where you rip it open and then you basically have to use it all at once. So excited. Hey everyone, day two. Okay, there's two. Ooh, this one's big. Ooh. So this is the Douglas Volume Obsession Mascara. I love mascara. Mascara is probably the one thing I would take with me on a desert island. Let's open this up. See what the brush is like. That's very important. Good brush. It's very full. Looks like it's going to work really well. Day number three. Three is a big one. Oh my goodness. What is in here? Look at this. This is Douglas Essential Cleansing Makeup Remover Wipes. Oh my goodness. I love bringing these on trips. Whenever we travel, I bring cleansing wipes that help with removing your makeup. They're great because they're small and you throw out the package when you're done and you don't have so much room carrying all this like beauty products. So I love these. These are great for travel. Perfect. It's day four. Let's find number four. I have no idea where four is. Oh, found it. Here it is. It's a small one today. What is in here? I'm not gonna lie. I have no idea what this is. It looks like it's perfume. I don't even know. What does it say? Pure Balance Hydro Splash Express 24-Hour Express Moisture. Okay. Sleepy Miracle. I guess you put this on when you go to sleep and it helps your skin get moisturized. It's day five. It's right here. That was an easy one to find this time. What is this? Firming Day Cream. I love day cream. So good for your skin. Firming. Kind of need that now with my age, I feel like. Let's see. Good ingredients. Okay. Has English on it, which I love because living in Amsterdam, not everything has English. It is day six. We are a quarter of the way through this calendar. Where is six? Oh. It's a six. This is a six. This is a big one. So what? Okay, we have a box in here. What does the box say? Oh, we have perfume. Tomo Her. I have not heard of this. It smells good. Okay, got it open. Okay, it's a roll-on. I love roll-on. So much easier to apply. Okay, I like it. It's fruity. Some flowers. Very good, kind of strong, but then it will last long. Very nice. Here, give it a smell. Can't smell, I know, but it smells really good. Day seven, it's been a week. Where's seven? Right here. Nail polish, love it, and it's a great color for Christmas. It says up to 7 days. We're gonna have to test this out and see if it actually lasts 7 days. Step one, 2 coats, Douglas Daycare Gel. Woo! I'm gonna have to wear this to all the Christmas parties. Maybe. Do I have any spills on me? Where? Representing Canada today for day 8. Where is it? Ooh, 8 is pretty much right in the middle. Let's see what is happening. What is this? Starskin. I recognize this brand. See, Starskin Plumping and Hydrating. Ooh, it's a lip mask. Okay. say I've tried their regular masks before and I love them. I've never done a lip mask. This will be quite interesting. You just open it and put it on your lips. It's usually like, okay, it has like a cutout of lips that you're just gonna put over your lips. Awesome. Day 9. Okay, found this right away. Awesome. It is 9, right? Yeah. Okay, let's do this. This is very interesting. It is very pretty. I like this jar. Okay, it's a fragrance. It's a perfume. Look at this. This is so pretty. It almost looks like a Christmas ornament. Could I open this up? Okay, we got it. Let's see. Oh, okay, yes. Okay, it's not a roll-on, so be careful when you're opening this one. I'm just gonna put a little bit. I like that. Kind of like, not as fruity as the other one. More flowers. I don't know what flower. Lilac maybe? I don't know, but I like it. It's a very pretty jar. When you go in the light, it changes color. Love this. Day 10. Let's see, okay, it's a medium size today. What is this? This is 24-hour shower care. Okay, I like that. A little shower care. This would be great for traveling, actually. It looks like the perfect size. I'm excited to use it. Let's see what it smells like, though. Very curious. Okay. I can't even describe the smell. It's very flowery. Kind of like, I don't even know. Very flowery. But I like it. This would be good. So you can use it to travel, or it'd be great to bring in your gym bag, or just use it at home. Awesome. Day 11. Let's see, okay. Right here. What is this? It is Douglas Essential. So we do like the Douglas brand. They're very good. Moisturizing body milk. Ooh, I like body milk. It's really smooth. Very nice. Also a good size for travel. It's like they know. Very cool. We are at the halfway point. Let's find, where's number 12? I don't even know. There's no number 12. Huh? Oh, I found number 12. It's very small. It's right here. This is number 12. Okay, what is another object? I have no idea what this is. Oh, eye serum. Eye serum. Okay, I see. Very cool. So it's Daytox Eye Wonder Eye Serum. Oh, it says it's vegan. I've never used this brand, so that will be very interesting to try. Time for lucky number 13. It's right here. It's a big one today. What is this? Ooh, a Douglas Essential Hydrating Face Mask. You know I love my face mask. Okay, so I'm not going to open it because that means I have to use it right away. This looks like you could probably do about 2 or 3 face masks worth. Day 14. Let's see, small one today. What is this? It looks like it is, an eye pencil. You know I like making my wings. What does it say? It says the mini black pencil fits into any bag. Okay, it is a nice travel size, good for your purse, and works well. Are you ready for day 15? Let's find 15. Here it is. It's getting easier to find them. Let's see what's in here. Another Starskin. You know I like Starskin. What is this? A 7-in-1 Miracle Skin Mask Pods. Oh, 7-second overnight mask. Oh, I like that, an overnight mask. So you don't have to do any work. This looks really fun. I've never tried this and I'm really excited to try it. Is it day 16? Are we at day 16? Day 16. Where is it? Okay, it's a long, thin one today. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, this looks like it is Mercedes-Benz Woman Eau de Perfume. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. Okay, what does this smell like? Okay, very flowery, but not too flowery. It's not too strong. It's nice. I like it. It is a roll-on, which is great. It is made in France. Very nice. Day 17. Where is it? Ooh, the very big one today. What is in here? What is in here? Okay, let's see. Hollywood Skin. Ooh. Oh, okay. Regenerating, cooling under eye patches. Okay, this is great because I have bags under my eyes, as you can probably see. So this should help with it. And it's from Hollywood, of course. Seems to be such a big box for a small little thing. That's interesting. Day 18. Where is it? Very top here. Let's see. Ooh, okay, what is this? It is Douglas Hair Protein Repair Intensive Mask. Ooh, almond and shea butter. Nourishes and repairs. That's awesome. I haven't actually done a hair mask before, so that will be really fun to try. Different. What is in store for day 19? Where is day 19? Okay, here it is. It's at the bottom here. Let's see what's in here. Okay, what is this? A Radiance Exfoliator. Okay, just want to smell it. Why not, right? Okay, it smells very fruity. I guess, I don't even know how to use this. I guess I would just exfoliate at night or in the morning. It says, your protection against a dull complexion. Radiance Exfoliator is the complement to the Japanese ritual of double cleansing. Okay, that's very exciting to try this new ritual. Day 20. It is a big one today. It's in here. What's behind door number 20? What is this? This is Home Spa Douglas. Okay, it's an oil, Beauty of Hawaii. Oh, sensual shower foam. Yep, smells like Hawaii. Some more here. The Home Spa Shower Foam will delight you with its texture. In contact with water, the gel transforms into foam. Okay, that's very interesting. I have not tried it. I'm very excited to take this into the shower tomorrow. Day 21. We're so close to the end. Sad. What is in here? It is more nail polish. It is. Okay, step 2. This is the top coat. Lasts up to 7 days. Ooh, I can put this on top of the red one. Perfect for the Christmas parties. Yeah. Time for day 22. Here. It's a red tube. What is this? Ultra Time Lift Contour Reshaping Serum. I have never tried this. Let's see what it says in the box here. I like that they have descriptions, so if you don't know what it is, just read it. It says, the perfect skincare for immediately resculpting your face and long-term firming. Okay, an instant tightening effect. That will be great. Let's give it a try. There are 2 left. This one and this one. We're on day 23. Let's see. Oh, I see Santa. What does it say? Xmas Spices Santa Claus Face Mask. Okay. It is a Christmas face mask. My husband's just jealous that I have this advent calendar and he doesn't, so he's playing music in the background. Let's continue. Face Love. Is that the brand? I have not tried the brand. It is vegan and it is a Santa Claus face mask with spices. It looks like, ooh, it looks like it might smell like a pine cone, which would be great because I love that smell at Christmas. Yeah. It is the last day, day 24. I'm really sad. I wish this calendar went all year, but it didn't, so it's really sad. But let's see what is in our last day. I hope my Santas don't fall off. Okay. Whoa! It looks like it is Abercrombie & Fitch First Instinct Roll-on Perfume. Let's give this a smell. Oh, it's not a roll-on, it's a spray. Almost threw myself there. It is really, really good. I like this smell. This is probably the best one in the whole box. And they saved it for last. Save the best for last. Yes, love it. I'm so excited to try all these products. It has been amazing. I hope you guys have had so much fun with me opening all these awesome treats in the advent calendar. Remember, if you want one of your own, please subscribe and make sure you leave a comment below so I know that you've subscribed. And follow me on Instagram. At the end of the month, I will be giving one lucky winner one of their very own Douglas Believe in Angels advent calendars. Thank you so much for watching.